Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a fun way to extra layer your layering stencils and create a cheerful birthday card. So let's get started. I love the new layering streamer stencils and they're really easy to use. I line up the first layer, the front of each streamer, on a panel of white cardstock and tape it in place with temporary tape. The stencil is marked with a line so you know where to line it up, and is also etched with both layers so they're easy to line up together. Next, I blend inks over the panel. I use lighter shades of Distress Oxide inks for my first layer. I blend spun sugar, abandoned coral, dried marigold, squeezed lemonade, twisted citron, salvage patina, tumbled glass, shaded lilac, and Victorian velvet to create my rainbow. After blending, I carefully remove the first stencil layer and then tape the next layer in place using the marks as a reference guide. For my second layer, I blend picked raspberry, festive berries, and a tiny bit of fired brick, mustard seed, mowed lawn, salty ocean, wilted violet, and seedless preserves. I remove that layer and then wash and dry both stencil layers. I also set the ink with my heat tool. Then I flip the first stencil layer over and tape it over the panel again. I repeat my rainbow of ink blending, but start the spun sugar in the middle so that the colors don't touch. Next, I flip the second stencil layer over, align it, and then blend my darker colors over the stencil. This just creates extra streamers. Once the ink is dry, I tape the confetti layer over the panel and apply a thin layer of gold stencil paste over the panel. I let that dry completely, then flip the stencil over, move it a little lower, and add another layer of gold stencil paste for even more shimmer. After I'm done applying the paste, I remove the stencil and let the panel dry again. While the panel is drying, I die cut the Happy from Happy 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 twice from black sapphire glitter cardstock and stamp the birthday from Birthday Wishes and die cut it with the coordinating die. I also stamp a sentiment from Birthday Wishes on the inside of my card base. Once the panel is dry, I adhere it to the card base. Then I use A2G adhesive to adhere the two Happies and foam mounting tape to adhere the birthday. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye!